Hey Steve, this is Andrew. Just wanted to take you through this real quick. I found this is the best way to explain things when I can't just sit in front of a computer with somebody. But this is the house we're looking at. Obviously, the square footage on all of these are going to be the same, so I'm not going to go over that for each one of them. Just look at the flood map real quick. I wanted to show you this. Okay, yeah, so this is the flood map right through that area. You'll see that this is your house. I mean the house we consider making an offer on. It kind of barely touches that corner. My understanding is that it flooded up to the fence line, which is somewhere around here. Now I'm not too worried about it flooding, but I am concerned that it's going to add a little extra money each month. Well, $45, $40 to your house note. So looking at some of the comparable sales we have, I have two right in there on two different streets. I'm sorry, these are the active ones. This one is the one you maybe were talking about. This one's priced exactly the same. I can get you in there tomorrow. They're waiting on carpet and a few other things, some touch up around the bathtub and cleaning. So that one's the same price, but doesn't require flood insurance. It does have hardwood floors downstairs. So we might want to go look at that one tomorrow. This one, these are our comparable sales. These are the two that sold last year. So looking at this one right here, this one sold for $125 and did not require flood insurance. But looking at the pictures, you can tell it's not as nice, but the only thing that's not as nice about it is carpet. You probably get all that taken care of for about for about $10,000 for really nice or really decent floors. So just something to think about there. This is a sale that's happened within the past year. It won't count as comparable. It's too old for appraisal reasons. And then this is the other one. And this one sold for $150 or $117 a square foot. And this one did require flood insurance, but it's much nicer. Granite countertops, tile backsplash, you see what I'm saying? So anyway, just wanted to bring that up. What I'd like to see us do is the house that we're looking at, go back to that, it did appraise at $166. The buyer had some medical issues and the loan fell through. So I know it'll appraise at $166. I'd like to see get it for right around close to that minus what you would pay for flood insurance. So to make up the difference, if you were getting a loan, you may not be getting a loan, but to make up the difference that you would have to pay for the flood insurance, I'd like to see you get it at $160. Now, obviously, our old comps are really low, so I know it'll probably appraise at $166. I know it has appraised at $166, but it's hard to get a deal right now. But I say we make him an offer. This other one comes out tomorrow, and we can go look at that one and kind of go from there. But in the meantime, I'll touch base with you, and we'll figure out what price you want to come in at, and we'll go ahead and get this offer started. Thanks.